Since Mother's Day is around the corner, I'm going to teach you how to cook something for your children. It's called the Tofu Prawn Nuggets. First up, I'm going to chop the onions, carrots into cubes. Now I'm just going to add some spring onions in as well, so I'm going to chop them. Dice the prawns. These are the frozen prawns that I buy. I like the nuggets to have a little bit more chunky prawns, so I just have it into half. So now I'm going to put together the batter. All right, so I'm going to fry the onions, the carrots, and the spring onions. Okay, saute them until the onions is translucent. Next, I'm going to add in the prawns. In the meantime, in a bowl, I've got 2 egg tofu here. I'm going to mash it up. 1 cup of corn. And then the onions, carrots, spring onions, and prawns. So for me at home, I love doing this, and especially when we have a party, I always like to have it done in advance and keep it in the fridge. It's easier, and this is a good prep. A little bit of salt and pepper. Teriyaki sauce. I'm a fan of teriyaki sauce, if you notice. Add in 4 tablespoons of tempura flour. This will kind of bind the tofu and the other ingredients together. I stumbled over this recipe by chance. You know, they always say when a cook doesn't know what they're doing in the kitchen, a new recipe is created. Is it true? No? To fry the nuggets, I'm going to put some oil. Each nugget, you can have half a prawn in it, okay? And I'm just going to put it onto the... And there we go. What's beautiful about this nugget is crispy on the outside. It's because of the tempura flour that binds the mixture together, and then soft and chewy on the inside. Now to make the sauce, I'm so excited about this. So just put in your green and red chili, dark sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a little water, give it a good stir, and we are going to just pour it into a bowl. This is a beautiful sauce. And this is your prawn tofu nuggets. Enjoy.